Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use the CapCut Pro for free without paying for the subscription. Most of us has used CapCut for some editing one way or another because CapCut is the most popular and very user-friendly software. Of course, besides CapCut, I do have other editor software as well. So to get started, just download the CapCut from the official website, which is CapCut.com. So I'm not suggesting you to use any type of crack or other kind of software. Just download from the official website and install it. So after you install the software, you don't even have to log in to unlock the Pro feature. For those of you that know me, I do subscribe to the Pro feature, but right now I've logged out of the Pro. So over here you can see that they will just keep asking you to join the Pro, but without logging in, we still can do it. You have to know that without the Pro subscription, then all this AI video maker, you can't use it, or long video to short or text to speech, you can't use this. You can only use the editor, which is what they started off with, and most of the time we did use the editor feature. So just click on this create project, but before that there's one setting that you need to take note of. Just go to this button over here, which is a setting. If you click on this setting over here, this is the part that you need to take note of. By default, when you install it, you are saved to some other places. To make it simple, I will just put it to the C drive CapCut folder. It's up to you, but if you like to use the default, so you just have to take note of the path that you are going to use it, because we are going to use that later. And after that, just click on the save, and then from here I will click on this create project. So once we are on the create project, this is the user screen that we will be seeing, and then we need to do some editing. So I'm going to drag in a file that I created earlier on. So it doesn't matter which file that you are going to edit with. Just take note that you can use all the Pro feature at this point. So this video do not have a closed caption. So let's say I wanted to do a closed caption and do auto caption. And this is a Pro feature, by the way, the auto caption. And after they generated a caption for me, then I can go to the template here. The free version is very limited. So all this diamond here that you see is belonging to the Pro version. So if you want a free, then you have to choose. Basically, there's only a couple of free. So let's say I want to choose something that is a Pro, so I will just pick anyone. It doesn't matter. Or I can click this one, turn the caption into emoji. This one is quite popular among a trendy kind of video.
Hi, welcome back everyone.
Okay, and then the next thing, let's say I want to do some sticker effect. So this is free because there's no diamond beside it. So let's say if I wanted this, I'll just add it on. I'll just add this, and then if I want people to subscribe to me, so I'll just add another subscribe button to the timeline. So at this point, there's all this. So I'm going to use all the Pro feature and add it in. So it doesn't matter actually, because at this editing stage, you can do all the Pro feature that you wanted. And then I'm going to add this as well. This is also another Pro feature in CapCut. So let me drag it and see. Actually, I don't know what is this feature. Okay, I think it's some sort of blurring effect or anything. So it doesn't matter. Whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, this without the diamond one. It's all the free. I'm going to use a pro and just add in the pro to the timeline. So this will become the pro feature. So what it does, okay. So again, like I say, you can use any of this pro feature over here. And in fact, even if I want to separate out the audio, I can do that. Click on this video clip and then extract the audio. Because what I want to do is use some of the pro feature over here. So I want to add a voice filter. I want to add an echo. This is belonging to the pro feature. The free is only high and low. So I'm going to add echo to my this timeline.
Text message, voice tone, voice changer.
So now you can see the echo is there. And if I want to change it speech to song, I can do that, but I'm not going to do it here. But actually you can use whatever pro feature that you want. So now that we have finished, the last thing that we want to do is to click the export button. So if you click export, then they will tell you to upgrade, because we have used extract audio, we have used auto caption, and we have used a bunch of other things. CapCut lists out everything that you have used and prompt you to join the pro. Because we don't want to join the pro, so we go back to our edit, go back to edit. The first thing that you want to do is select everything. The easiest way to select everything is you can highlight everything and select it. That's one way, or the way I prefer is to press Ctrl A. Ctrl A basically select everything and then just highlight anywhere and right click on it. What we want to do is actually create compound clip. You can also press alternate G, but in this case I'm on this, I will just click create compound clip. What this does is it merge everything into one. So make sure your edit is what you want, because this step can't be reversed. So actually when you go through whatever thing that you want, make sure this is what you want. Again, if we go back to export, we can't export this because it will tell us to join the pro again. Go back to the edit. Now the next thing that you want to do, and this is the most important step, is pre-process compound clip. This is the crucial part, pre-process compound clip. Once you click this one, you will process your compound clip, and this is where the magic happens, that you don't have to join the pro to be using CapCut Pro. So we just have to wait for a while for it to process finish. Okay, if you have used CapCut before, you know that this pre-process is similar to an export. Just that in this case, is pre-process our compound clip. So to use all the pro feature, instead of clicking on the export, we are going to compound clip and then pre-process it. Once you pre-process it, and if it is done, then you have a full video without paying for the pro subscription. So the pre-process is done. What we are going to do is go to the directory. Like I mentioned in the beginning, on the setting page, we are going to go back to the directory, and there's this CapCut draft. I'm using C drive CapCut, so there's this CapCut draft. We are going inside there. Because this project is labeled as 0627, so you'll be seeing this 0627. Just click on this 0627 and then click on this resources. So under the resources, we have this combination. Just click on this combination, and then we have this completed one, the first one. Let's play it.
Hi, welcome back everyone. I'm Winston, and the voice you are hearing is actually not me, because I use
You can see that the closed caption, I'm using it. The echo, I change it. These are all the pro feature. And then there's not even the CapCut watermark. There wasn't even a CapCut watermark. So you can just use this video without paying for the Pro. So once you're done, you can get out of CapCut, and if you don't require this project, you can always delete it. But you have to take note of this name, because this is a name that is inside the folder, and you need to take note of your own setting. Where do you save this to? Because we are going to use a CapCut draft for you to be able to use CapCut Pro for free. Now that you have know how to get the CapCut Pro for free, can you give me a likes and comment? Thank you everyone.